Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Method 1. Search someone by their TikTok name or username. Open the TikTok app. Tap Discover, magnifying glass icon. Click on the search box. Enter the name you want to search. Tap Search. Look for the profile picture. Tap Username to follow them. If you didn't find them by their name, you should know their username.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can't see who views your TikTok videos, as the app lacks such a feature. TikTok offers users the ability to see how many times their video has been watched, but does not show which individual users or accounts view it.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Many issues like TikTok not loading or opening, network error, freezing or crashing, and video not working can be fixed by generic troubleshooting. This involves clearing the TikTok app cache and data, restarting the device, and reinstalling the app.
Take our lead.
The search option is not available from the TikTok website, but it is easily found in the app version by clicking on the magnifying glass labeled Discover on the lower left-hand side of the application. Type the most popular users in the region you'd like to view in the search bar. Tap the red Follow button.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How safe is TikTok? Using any social network can be risky, but it's possible for kids to safely use the app with adult supervision and a private account. TikTok has different rules for different ages. Users under 13 can't post videos or comment, and content is curated for a younger audience.
Take our lead.
Watch TikTok without an app. Start by opening a VPN app on your phone and connect to a US server. Once connected, open the app where you've received the TikTok video link. Press and hold the TikTok video link and tap Copy Link to copy it. Paste the link in the address bar of the web browser.
Make your mark, take our lead.
At the top of the search page, you'll find the search bar and QR scanner. Below it are an advertisement carousel, and then a list of the most popular hashtags, effects, and sounds on TikTok right now. Tap the search bar and type to use it. You can search for words or phrases, users, or topics.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How do I search? Tap Discover, located at the bottom of your screen. Search a specific video or type of content in the search bar located at the top of the page. Be as specific as possible. Results will show on the top tab. Explore the other search tabs for related content.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.